so much for coming over. I can't wait to watch this movie with you.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Before I hit play, I just want to let you know my cat might be roaming around. I hope that's okay. You're not allergic, are you?
No, that's okay. I like cats.
Okay.
Yeah.
The other thing you should know is he has this thing. It's called cat resting bitch face. But it's totally fine. Don't be alarmed. It's normal. It's like totally. The doctors know about it. Okay.
Hi, Mama.
Yeah, he's never done that before. Anyway. Well, do you know if it's on Paramount Plus or?
Yeah, I think it's on Paramount Plus, and I've never seen it before. I'm really excited about this.
Me too. Oh. Sorry, I don't know. It's okay.
Meow, 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 meow. Oh, meow, 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 meow.
That's my cat's cat ABF.
Elegant. That's okay. That's all right.
I think the Janet Jackson was in this. That's crazy.
Yeah, really good.
I'll ding.
I don't know why people keep coming to the door. I'm so sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah.
I have a delivery White Claw. 6-pack.
Is it Cowboy Claw?
White Claw.
It's the wrong order. I'm sorry.
I work for Postmates. I can't. Are you sure?
I mean, I'll take it. I didn't order. I ordered Cat White Claw. It's wrong.
Oh, I've never heard of that.
Well, it's a thing you can figure out.
Thank you.
It's so weird. Anyway. Anyway, I'm actually kind of tired.